Hello guys, my name is Shushan. Welcome to my channel. While logging to your Windows account, you might have this kind of error. This is called user profile service failure. To solve this problem, you can go to either your safe mode and administrator, or if you are lucky like me and have an alternate account, you can just log into that account and perform the following steps. After login to the account, go to the start menu and open Regedit as a administrator. If you are in safe mode, it will be by default administrator. Press yes. The Regedit editor is open. Now switch to editor. Go to H key local machine, software. Now move to Microsoft. Windows NT, current version, ProfileLlist. Here you will find lots of BAK file and some without BAK. This Windows profile, and the second one, this profile has the conflict. So as you can see, this is my second Windows and it has the same name with the above. So rename it, remove the BAK to BA and go to the above and add .bak, enter. And modify, remove the dot extension. Go to dword state, click modify, update the value to 0, go to ref count and modify and check the value is 0 or not. That's it. Close and restart the Windows. After saving, restart. If you are under the save mode, do the same. Save the user. Now boot as a normal window. Now log into the user.